Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today we're going back to basics. We're doing an OG philosophy video. Today I'm going to be sharing with y'all Amazon designer look for less bags. I'm so excited because I just opened all of them. I'm like swimming in bags right now and they're all so freaking good. Spoiler alert. I'll have everything linked down below. I also have an entire tab over on my storefront for bags. I also have one with designer look for less items and way more. I'm also partnering up with Amazon today to give away two $150 Amazon gift cards because they were doing a spring sale. So think Prime Day sale, Black Friday, but in the springtime, 5 days. So definitely check out this tab right here if you haven't already and enter in the description box below. But yeah, I'm so excited to get into it. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok for more and let's get into it. I haven't even opened these, so it's gonna be pretty much a first impression of everything. Ooh, this one comes nicely packaged. Look how cute. It's giving Bottega. Look at that. Isn't that cute? I wanted to choose a few different neutrals. I'm not like super into crazy color bags. It's a little bucket bag. It's a pretty decent size. It's nothing huge, but it would work for nighttime or a little outing. It has a longer adjustable strap on the inside. It comes with this little dust bag as a lining to use, which I like, I guess, to protect the leather or whatever. It does smell like leather to me, but I can't confirm or deny because I don't know if it's real leather. But look how cute. It's this really pretty beigey creamy color. I really like it. It also comes in black and it comes in more fun, almost like springy colors. One of my least favorite things that Amazon started doing is just packaging things and putting a label on it. Why must we do that, Amazon? Give me boxes. I have this huge one. I really try to pick different price points, so I have some that are $20. I have some that are $40. This one I'm pretty sure was like $95, which is a steep price point for typical Amazon bag, but if the quality's there, y'all, let's see. It comes with this little dust bag and it has these inserts so it doesn't get messed up. Oh my god, this is looking extremely promising. I'm shook. Okay, packaging 10 out of 10. It's so structured. I'm shook. Has all... Are you joking? Wait, this was so worth the $100. I think it's a little less actually. My mom's gonna steal this bag from me. I just know it. She loves bags like these. This would be great for travel or if you work at an office. Tell me that's not giving the one that starts with an H. It's so sturdy. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Look at that inside. So many compartments and pockets. I love the pleated detail right here. I was not expecting that to be those colors, but I actually really like it. It did come in different colors, so it has the longer strap. The hardware is actually perfect. It's like a bit overexposed, but you catch the drift. This is better than some of the bags I've gotten from you know where. Everything's just so packaged so nicely. I truly cannot believe this is Amazon. And I love this color combination with the dark brown, the nice colorful sides, a little something but nothing crazy. It's still a pretty neutral bag. The logo is nice and subtle. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Oh my god, I cannot wait. Okay, definitely keeping this one. I only got one thing that's not like an actual purse. It's this little toiletry bag almost, and I knew this was gonna happen because there was an option for a pink one and I got the orange because I feel like this one is more emblematic of the brand that it's trying to recreate. But I'm not an orange girly, I'm sorry. Oh, it's cute. Okay, I was like, this is too small to fit anything in here, but it's cute. Like I said, I would love this if it was like pink, which I'm gonna run to Amazon and get. It's this really nice like canvas material with the embroidered H. I just don't love the red detail, but not bad if you are a fan of orange. How it has a little handle, but I'm gonna go ahead and treat myself to a pink one and return this one. The next one is definitely the most affordable one of them all and one that is reviewed and recommended a ton on social media. It's this one. It's nice and structured. I feel like this would stand up on its own, but as you can see, maybe because of the way it was packaged, it is a little messed up. but it's like a cutie little shoulder bag. It also has a shorter strap, so you can just carry it like as a handbag. Zippered pocket on the inside, and it also zips up all the way. Let's see how nice this zipper is though, because that was always my issue with... We're good, we're good. I think I would like this more if it was a lighter color. I wanted to get the black one because usually I gravitate towards bags like this for nighttime, but I feel like I would like a lighter color more. This was pretty inexpensive, probably the most affordable one of them all, so I'm happy with the quality. But I'm gonna say something crazy. I think I could find this on Temu for like half the price. This one is from that same listing as the bucket bag, but a different style. Oh, I love this. Same packaging. I just feel like this looks more luxe and high-end, and this one is on sale. It's part of that sale that I was telling you all about. I love this color. I feel like it's so classic. Another bag that my mom might take from me. Look how pretty. There's the little straps on the inside, so you can either hold it like this, like a handbag, or you can put the crossbody strap, I guess right here, which is not my favorite. Let me try it and I'll show y'all, because usually I feel like when bags don't have like a side strap, they never stay where they're supposed to. But once again, the hardware on this is great. I think that's like the top thing I've noticed so far, that all the hardware is not too brassy, it's not too cheap looking. Okay, it does balance it like itself out. I feel like sometimes if I have to put the straps on an existing loop that's meant for something else, do y'all see how hard I just hit my face? It like doesn't balance right, but it feels nice. I feel like it's bigger than I expected it to be. Like I said, I feel like these bags are better for me for nighttime because I'm usually not with my kids and I need the space to carry all their stuff. But this would be so cute for a trip where like you want to look nice but you don't want to bring like your nicer designer items. I think those are always better to keep at home, but this gives you that same look without spending a ton of money, and it looks very, very nice. And we have another big one. Let's see. Ooh, I love this darker. Stunning. This is like a true like chocolatey brown one. Obsessed. Oh my god, I don't know which one I like more. I feel like I like this one more for like everyday life, and the other one is something I would use on a trip or like if I had a meeting or something. Not that I have meetings nowadays, but you know what I mean. I think this is gorgeous though. I know this one also comes in like a croc texture or fabric, and also like an ostrich type situation. I'm sure neither of those are the real thing, but this one feels so nice. I like a more smooth leather like this. Again, a ton of compartments. This one comes with like a little pocket pouch, ton of little compartments inside, a zippered one right in the middle, and another zippered one right here. Feels nice and sturdy. I'm truly obsessed. I don't know which one's my favorite. Definitely the two totes are the winners, which makes sense because they were a little bit more. Still under $100, but still, you know, they feel way nicer than the $20 one. I know a lot of you missed these videos, myself included, so I'm so excited to be back doing them again. These are not anything they're not supposed to be. They're just kind of that designer look. But I am gonna do an entire video on my current existing bag collection because I know a lot of you want to see that, so definitely stay tuned for that and subscribe if you missed these videos. They're coming back slowly but surely. I just placed a huge order on that other side, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, that's everything for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Okay, now onto the giveaway. All you have to do is check out the description box below for all the details, all the rules. There's gonna be 2 winners of $150 Amazon gift cards. Be following me on Instagram, TikTok, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to enter, and comment down below what was your favorite bag, what you want to shop for the spring sale if you were to win the gift card giveaway. I have an entire tab over on my Amazon shop with my sale picks, so all my finds that I find to be the best deals, so check that out if you haven't already. And that's everything for today's video. If you enjoyed it, definitely give it a big thumbs up. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.